American legislators debate to find a way out of trouble.
I've had kidney stones. They're easier to pass than this.
The political game is high stakes.
The Speaker's plan is on life support, and it's time for him to pull the plug.
And behind the scenes, Americans are worried.
Speaker Boehner's office, how may I help you?
Senator Durbin's office, how may I help you?
Amid fear that America won't be able to cover its debt and worry that the debt has spiraled beyond control, many investors are about to push the panic button or have found a new way to capitalize on the country's troubles.
We're now seeing the consequences of what happens when you have an unlimited ability to print money, go into debt, and so on. Works nicely for a while, but eventually you have to pay the piper.
Concerns about the plummeting value of the American dollar has investors around the world turning away from stock certificates and paper money, putting their faith in gold and silver.
It's the only asset class that works in a systemic collapse.
The price of gold topped $1,600 an ounce today, near record levels, and for good reason.
A lot of people just don't believe in the currency system anymore.
The currency system is based on trust, on the faith that a country's paper money will have enduring value. But too much government debt can make that dollar worth less on many levels. And when that happens, investors seek out security.
There is a perceived notion where there is financial instability in the world. A lot of people want to get into the safe haven of gold and silver.
Hard assets that can make you money or help you lose it fast. Much will depend on whether lawmakers can find a way to pay the bills and keep the dollar stable.
It is whistling past the graveyard to suggest that this is some sort of game and that we're not serious, and that the risks aren't enormous, because they are.
There are also risks buying gold and silver, all the more reason to deal with licensed, registered brokers and to avoid those who would have you believe you can't lose money. Sean O'Shea, Global News.
Well,